What's up guys, Jacob Rothenberg here, bringing to you a brand new video on Amazon/Kindle self-publishing. What I want to talk about today is how to use Google Trends yet again for keyword research. Reason being, Google Trends has recently updated its site and its interface is completely different from its previous iteration. So whereas prior you could access different categories on the upper right hand side, the interface is now dramatically different and it could be a little bit more difficult to use if you are familiar with the previous version and don't know really where to go. So I've put in some time on how to use the new site, and hopefully during the duration of this video we can also find you a profitable keyword. So without further ado, welcome to the new site at trends.google.com. Here you can check the Google search volume of a given keyword, and with that you can also see its popularity over time. So to give you a quick example, we can type in NBA Finals and track the popularity of the keyword over the past 12 months. And as you can see here, back when the NBA Finals occurred last year around June, which is the time I am filming now, June 2018, the NBA Finals was at an all-time high in popularity. Then, of course, after the finals are completed, all done, the popularity wanes. And yet again, it has picked up from May now through June, and it's continuing to gain popularity as a keyword since the NBA Finals are going on right now. So with that, if you want to look up a particular keyword's popularity, you can search here. Otherwise, if you want to see what's currently trending in the world, you can check out this section, recently trending. You can see immediately here what's the most trendy keywords or celebrities, events going on right now. And if you click on more trending searches, you can find daily search trends, or click here, real-time search trends. You can sort by category. So you have business, entertainment, health, science and tech, and sports. So just to give you an example, if you wanted to look up for keywords related to business, you could search through here. So we have VIX, futures contracts, iPath, Asian stocks, the Apple Worldwide Developers Conference, NASDAQ, etc., etc. Now, I did catch something on the front page related to FIFA. I believe the World Cup is going to be occurring later this year, shortly. So if I were to check sports, I think that aside from the NBA Finals, if we go back to the front page, the FIFA World Cup is insanely popular right now, since it is going to be coming up very soon. I would venture to say that it is going to be, if we track it through the past 12 months, it's going to be the upcoming hottest event to be occurring in the world, as I believe they play off in the finals from the end of June through the middle of July, if I'm not mistaken. So with that as a keyword, I would look up intuitively World Cup 2018 books. Now if I back up a little bit here, just typing in World Cup 2018 gives you all sorts of memorabilia that people will want to buy. Since American football is not going to be here, we're talking about soccer. Soccer, or football, as the world knows it outside of America, is going to be the most popular sport in the world, if it's not already. And as such, you have all sorts of merchandise and products that people want to buy. Since we're doing a lesson on Amazon publishing, we're obviously going to be looking at books. Right from the get-go, I can tell that FIFA is involved with either endorsing or officially licensing some of the books. I can't confirm that aside from this title. This is being the official book. Just to take a look, it's on pre-order. It's officially licensed by FIFA. And even though it's on pre-order, it's one of the most popular books in the world being bought right now. So that goes without saying that it's a great keyword. This book has already been published, not being licensed by FIFA. So this is fair game for you to publish on. Sells extremely, extremely, extremely well. And I would venture to say we could keep checking for the next few books and they would all be ranking extremely well. So just to give you a quick idea, this ranks very well and it's a kid's book. I can even just scroll down very quickly and look at books that might not be searched as much, like this book here. It's a coloring book, so I don't think it's going to be selling very well, if any at all. Yeah, but keep in mind, this is a coloring book with no reviews, and it still sells. One thing to take note, now that we're somewhat analyzing the keyword, aside from this book with 5 reviews, none of these books have reviews, so long as you have high quality content, a good cover, you relate all of your associated keywords with the World Cup of 2018, get some reviews slapped up, get some sales going. You might want to also run an AMS campaign, Amazon Marketing Services campaign, to jumpstart sales. So right here, within, 3 minutes into this video, I've already found you a great profitable keyword. If it were up to me, I should have kept this keyword for myself or share it exclusively within my mastermind group, which is elitekeywordmastermind.com. Link is below if you're interested. I'm giving out the hottest keywords for the month of June. Aside from this one, consider this a freebie, courtesy of Jacob Rothenberg, along with lessons on how to find profitable keywords. Aside from using Google Trends, I've got all sorts of methods and tactics not ever seen before, exclusive to my own creativity. It's all in the Elite Keyword Mastermind, and I'll be giving away June's keywords pretty soon. I think that this is an amazing keyword, given that the World Cup is occurring in, I think, 3 to 4 weeks. You have time to publish for this. Now, people might be thinking as they're watching this video, Jacob, this is great and all, but right after the World Cup, the sales for this book are going to die immediately. You know what? You're right. It would likely die immediately. So here's what you can do. You can either publish right away, get this book out, make your money, and then just quit, or you can think bigger picture and develop a brand. Now, how do you develop a brand off of a book that will probably die out in 2 months? There's 2 ways, in my opinion. Either you can publish just on soccer, or football as the world knows it outside of the United States, publish books just on soccer continually, maybe even publish books on the World Cup every year and make money that way. Or you can develop a brand covering different sports events with their respective finals games of 2018 and 2019, etc., and develop a brand off of that. So yeah, we just have the NBA finals going on right now. The World Cup is next. And then from there, I think it's tennis that has some finals going on. I'm not a big tennis guy, so I'm just guessing. But yeah, be creative and think bigger picture in terms of potential with not just one book, but with a brand you can develop overall. It's definitely a monetary and time investment, but it is an investment that can literally make you a full-time income publishing books for, and hopefully replace your job if that's what you're looking to do. So again, we found this keyword just by simply browsing Google Trends. It literally came up jumping at your face here. So there's no secret going on as to how we found this keyword. Again, if you're interested, guys, go to elitekeywordmastermind.com. I've got the hottest shit for keywords out already, and I'll be having new keywords soon. It's really the best program for making money. It's a done for you system. I'm literally giving you the keywords. No one else is going to do that. No one else can find keywords as easily or as well as me. So I'm your man. I am your VA for keywords. So check it out. Like and subscribe. Comment if this video either helped you, or comment maybe 2 months from now when I've made you, oh, I don't know, $3,000 or so from this video. So otherwise, I'll be seeing you in the mastermind. Thank you.